Hello my lovelies, and today we've got an unboxing from our folks over at AliExpress. Yes, it's finally here, the pen that I ordered. They said it was fast shipping, but it really wasn't. Once it hit the UK, I totally lost tracking. They didn't tell me where to track, so I just had to hope and pray that it would turn up, and it has turned up, so I'm really happy with this. This is a pen that I ordered. I literally paid 48 pence for this, and it was free delivery. So if that ain't a bargain, then what is? So I'm really happy with that. And in here is very, very similar. So can you see? Ta-da! Now, I've always wanted to have a pen that has had, like, you know, the metal tips. Well, in here, this is actually gold. I think there was a choice between silver and gold. But I've always worked with, like, the plastic ones. And a couple of my friends have the brass ones. And what really done it for me is it comes in this little carry case. But look how sexy and vibrant that looks. It's so beautiful. So obviously you've got a hole in either end. You can have props. You could probably have a single place at this end and a straightener. That end, what I call the whale's tail. Or you could have like a single placer and perhaps a 5-placer at the top. So in here, this is what's really cool. Look at that. You've got your own little sort of carry case for this. And obviously, since Temu's come along, I don't know whether I will continue buying from AliExpress, because obviously Temu's a hell of a lot quicker, but look at that. Oh, mama. It feels so nice that I don't want to pick it up. But these are, yeah, they're metal. Look at that. Oh, wow. It just feels like real. I don't think this is real gold. It's obviously some sort of copper plate, gold plating, I should imagine, but oh, that's interesting. I've not worked with one of them before. What is that? Okay, I'm not used to that one. But I think what we'll do is we'll put our single placer in first, which is, no, that's not that. Oh, we don't have a single placer. I think we do, actually. I think that is the single placer. But what's quite interesting is, if you look, it doesn't have that gold brass thing. So, might have to play around with that. But what we can do is I'll put this is one of my favourites. I like to use full 3-placer, so that's really lovely. There is a little symbol on here that tells you what placer it is. So this is a 3-placer, and let's get this down a bit. You've also got numbers on the back. So on the back of here, for example, this one says this one is a 6-placer. We've also got ourselves a 9-placer, is that, or 6-placer. That's obviously the one for special angled, and then obviously that's your single placer. Yeah, we'll give it a go. We can put it in, but as I said, I've never met a placer like that before, so I'm assuming that you just put the wax on and then it, you know, does it. But that is gorgeous, isn't it? It's really lovely. What I like about the brass ones is you can go as hard as you like and you don't have to worry about it breaking. But what's really nice is we've got like, oh right, some sort of elastic band thing. Don't know what they're for. That's interesting. I'm not entirely sure what they're for. Perhaps they're to hold it on, maybe. Maybe what you do is you put it round, say, one of them. So, looking at that, they've got like a band there. I think what it is it's so that it's not loose within the joint of the pen. But I thought that was great. For 48p, absolutely gorgeous. And comes with like this little carry case. That's just perfect. I mean, if I was visiting over my relatives, I could take that with me. It's just brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. So, yeah, for 48 pence, AliExpress, really happy with it. The colours are absolutely gorgeous. I've got a couple of these pens like that. But yeah, so another little unboxing there from AliExpress. I might try some diamond paintings, but I'm really not sure. AliExpress do take an awful long time to get here, whereas Temu take about a week. So yeah, I probably had to wait on average 3 weeks for this. So, but I'm really happy it's come. So please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified for all the videos I do. And I'll catch you next time for more unboxings. Take care, guys. Catch you later.